Yo, what's up everybody? My name is Alicia Way. This is a test to compare the picture quality and the video quality and the audio quality between my Sony ZV-E10 with a Sigma 30mm f1.4 lens to my Galaxy S21 Ultra. Okay, I tried to fix them as closely as I can to the same focal length, and I'm standing the same distance apart. I want to know if you think there is a noticeable difference between one of the newest, if not the newest camera on the market, Sony ZV-E10, with one of the best lenses on the market, Sigma 30mm f1.4, between my cell phone, which has nothing on it but my cell phone. It's just a regular cell phone. Let me know if one or the other looks the better. So, again, my name's Alicia Way, and I am testing out my Sony ZV-E10 with a Sigma 30mm f1.4 lens with my cell phone, which is a Samsung S21 Ultra. Okay, almost the same focal length, the same distance apart. Let me know what you think the video and the picture quality looks like. As well, let me know what you think the audio quality sounds like. Right? Is there a noticeable difference between the camera and the lens, which has a value of probably about $1,200 roughly, and my cell phone, which brand new, had a value of about $1,200 as well? So yeah, wow, didn't think about it that way. So yeah, both of these video systems have about the same value, brand new, price wise. They both have about a $1,200 value price wise. So let me know which one looks better to your liking and which one sounds better to your liking. I want to hear what you guys think about that. All right, peace.